Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Shoe Game. Today, I'm going to go over probably the most basic shoe it might be the most basic shoe, any Jordan shoe of all Jordan shoes. It's the Air Jordan 1 Mid Triple Black. So it's literally just solid black, black on black on black. The swoosh sign or the swoosh symbol is suede, but the rest is that patented, not patented leather, but that standard leather that comes on a Jordan. These came out, I believe, this is the 2019 release. This particular model is the 2019 release. It retails for 110. Right now, size 12 goes for 180 to 200, right around there, somewhere around there. So not too crazy. A lot more than retail, but not too crazy. Again, they are mid, so they don't really go up like that. And there's not really a big demand for these. Honestly, if you're in a big city, if you check out the malls, usually you can find a pair of the triple blacks in the mall, usually, sometimes. Not all the time, but I have seen these in the malls recently just because solid black, a lot of people have them. It's a great starter shoe. If you're trying to get into the shoe game, you don't know what to get, this is a great shoe just to have. If you don't get a triple black early, if you start a collection, you're probably just not going to get one. It's kind of that shoe that you just kind of get just to get because it's just a solid black. You can wear it with anything. And a lot of people wear these as beater shoes where, if you're just around the house or you just need to step out real quick, go to Walmart, to the store, you just throw these on, or these could be like people's work shoes if you got to wear black shoes for work. So a lot of people have these as beater shoes. As you can tell, they're not my beater shoes because they're in pretty good shape. I got these in 2 years ago, 2019. But yeah, solid shoe, very versatile, just solid black. And it's a basic shoe. If you're into loud, colorful shoes, this obviously isn't for you. But, if you got wardrobes or outfits where you just got to wear some solid black shoes, this is it right here. And then they also have this in all white called triple white, obviously. But yeah, that's the triple black Air Jordan 1 Mids. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll catch you next time.